quality planning, quality control, and the quality improvement. This is the Juran trilogy. And there further we discuss Juran trilogy based on the quality planning, quality control, quality improvement. And there our first point is that the quality planning is stabilize the quality goals. Quality is very important, and if planning is based on the quality goals, that is very important. The quality planning in this stabilize the quality goals must be remembered. And there are quality control, choose control subject. There are in the this quality control, that means control related, and there are control subjects को find out करना पड़ेगा, choose करना पड़ेगा. And there are improvement, quality improvement, that is need, prove the need for improvement. Second identification in this quality planning, that is your identify the customers. क्वालिटी प्लानिंग में जो मेन अगर हम 7 पॉइंट्स की बात करते हैं तो पहला आता है स्टेबलाइजिंग करना गोल्स को. कौन से गोल्स? क्वालिटी गोल्स. सेकंड, आइडेंटिफिकेशन करना, आइडेंटिफाई कस्टमर्स. थर्ड वन इज द डिस्कवर कस्टमर नीड्स. कस्टमर की क्या नीड्स है इनको फाइंड आउट करना. एंड फोर्थ इज द डेवलप प्रोडक्ट फीचर्स. दिस इज rather than important in their quality planning. And there were also develop process features. there are product features, यहाँ पे process feature है, तो must be understood. Develop product features and develop process feature, these are the difference. In both there are a features development, product and process. And further stabilize the process control also. Product features, process feature, and also a process control. And then further stabilize the process control, transfer to operations. These are the 7 points. First, stabilize the quality goals, identify the customer, discover customer needs, develop product features, and also a develop process features. These are the 7 important points in their Juran trilogy. First, that is quality planning. In this quality planning, stabilize करना quality goals, identify करना customer का, discover करना customer के need, develop करना product features, और develop करना process features, and also stabilize the process control, transfer to operation. That is your quality control. In their quality control, there are a choose control subject, choose unit of measures, set goals. These are the three important. Choose control subject, choose unit of measure, set goals, create a sensors. In this quality control, there are a important fourth, that is your create sensors and measure actual difference. Take action on the difference. These are the 6 basic points in their quality control. First is the choose control subject, choose unit of measure, set goals, create sensor, measure actual difference, and take action on the difference. इन देर अवा क्वालिटी इम्प्रूवमेंट, जब बात हम लोग करते हैं क्वालिटी इम्प्रूवमेंट की, तो इन दिस इम्प्रूवमेंट देर आर 7 रिमेंबर पॉइंट टू आइडेंटिफाई. फर्स्ट इज दैट योर हमें प्रूव करना पड़ेगा, प्रूव द नीड फॉर इम्प्रूवमेंट, need prove the need for the improvement. And second is the identify specific project for improvement. First, second is the identify the specific project for improvement, and third one is the organization project team. क्वालिटी इंप्रूवमेंट करने के लिए जो 7 बेसिक पैरामीटर्स है, पहला है कि प्रूव करना नीड फॉर इम्प्रूवमेंट, आइडेंटिफाई करना स्पेसिफिक प्रोजेक्ट फॉर इम्प्रूवमेंट, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग करना प्रोजेक्ट टीम, एंड फोर्थ इज द diagnose the causes. What are the causes? Fourth is the find out, diagnose the causes. Fifth is the provide remedies, prove that the remedies are effective. Six is the deal with resistance to change. Six is the deal with the resistance to change. And the seventh is one, provide the control of hold gains. So in trilogy, we have focus on these. First is the quality planning, identify the customer, discover the customer needs, develop the product, and develop process feature, and also measures actual difference, create a sensors, set goals, and choose the control of subjects. These are the Durant trilogy differences with the three basic parameters: quality control, quality improvement, and quality planning. And there further the end of result in their process, there have a end of result. End of result in this, there have a trilogy and end result. In this trilogy, first is the trilogy process में quality planning था. In this, the process for preparing to meet quality goals. The process for preparing to meet quality goals. And second is the quality control, the process for meeting quality goals during operations. And third one is the quality improvement. In this, the process are breaking through to unprecedented level of performance. What are the end result? In this end result, what are the end results? We have focusing. The end result is this. In this end result, a process capable a process is capable of meeting quality goals under the operating condition, conduct of operations in accordance with the quality plan, and conduct the operations at levels of quality distinctly superior to planning performance. These are the end result. First, process capable to meeting quality goals under the operating condition. Second, conduct of operations accordance with the quality plan. And third one is the conduct of operation at the levels of quality distinctly superior to the planning performance. In the trilogy, for the trilogy of quality process to be successful framework for achieving quality objects, and it is necessary that the process rests on a foundation of inspirational leadership and environment and practices strongly supportive to quality. Without such quality culture, the trilogy of quality process cannot be fully effective. These are the trilogy of quality process. So we discussed first, that is your Durant trilogy. In this Durant trilogy, we find out the parameters of quality planning, quality control, quality improvement, and also we discuss the end result of Durant trilogy process, that is trilogy process in the quality planning, quality control, and quality improvement. And end result, these are the 3 points: process capable for meeting quality goals and under operating condition, and also the conduct the operation in accordance with the quality plan, conduct the operation at the level of quality distinctly superior to planning performance. These are the Durant trilogy processes and their results. In this, their object, the for the trilogy quality process of successful framework, achieving quality objectives हम मिल जाते हैं, और साथ ही साथ जो necessary process हैं rest on the foundation of inspiration, leadership or environment or practices strongly support quality, or without such a quality culture, a trilogy quality process cannot be fully effective. Therefore, remember the last point, that is without such a quality culture, the trilogy of quality process cannot be fully effective.